This is Mago, and it's a software that's now in public beta with some cool features transforming your videos into stylized After Effects, VFX that you do normally over hours. This does it within minutes. And it's not just your average AI engine that takes in prompts, but it has a lot of parameters that can be defined for pro level editing. Let's meet with Andre to see a quick demo. We're here with Andre. Thanks for this amazing demo, but I want our audience now to see what's the magic behind Mago and what does it offer. Tell me the top parameters that can transform post-production for our VFX.
Okay, so Mago, it's an AI video tool that specializes in video to video. And the way it works is that you will have a video input and you will transform a frame reference to add the transformation you want, be it a different style or add via visual effects. And then you will use this image as the reference for the rest of the videos. The first parameter to really nail will be the image. This is where you have the most control. So if you want to have a good transformation, you need to have a good reference image.
Right.
So you can work with AI to work on this image, and you can do also manual editing.
Right.
And then we have the prompt, and then we have the control net's power.
Okay.
So we use control net, which is the depth map, for example, or it can be a pose map that will give the information of volume or of movement.
Yeah.
And the way you use this map more or less will have a different result in the video.
Okay. It's not about just your typical video prompts like you see. We can obviously create artistic references of our desired art direction and then upload these images as well along with the prompts, and then of course our video that has been shot, and then merge this in.
Yes, right? Exactly.
Yeah.
So you have a total control over the style, and you can use many different image reference. So you can see you can change the control nets, which will have different results. You have different output size, a bunch of results that give you control over the AI to stay away from the randomness we usually see.
Okay.
And then you can pile up different renders, and this timeline, it's you select the frame range. You can go from 5 frames to 2,000 frames, and then you can see the result, compare, and tweak it until you find the right settings.
I think that's an amazing window you're offering, from 5 frames right up to 2,000 frames.
Yeah.
There's so much that can be done in that when you're looking into detailed transitions, especially for the non-action scenes which are slow moving.
Yes.
And last but not the least, what happens when you want to do real time? Is that something you'll be offering soon?
The real time, not yet, but the rendering time, the rendering time are getting shorter and shorter. Okay. So almost 3 times faster now since if you compare to last year. Okay. So now 1 second takes around 1 to 5 minutes to generate. Okay. And the more this 1 to 5 minute time it reduces, the moment it becomes less than 1 second, this is when we will have
that's when you will jump to real time.
Yes.
Well, that's going to be something I'm looking forward to. I'm looking forward, of course, to getting my studio trying this out, and I'm sure there's many out there in the audience who are going to be writing to you and asking you. So I'm sure you can extend the CES offer to our audience.
Yes, definitely.
Guys, check the description. You can use that code to try out their software. It's on public beta testing right now, and I'm sure it's going to be crazy for our industry. And that's some amazing tech on the Technologist.